Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you see by the title, I'm gonna see which KFC tastes better, Jamaican or American KFC. So let's get started. So here I have some chicken. I have original, crispy, and grilled. Only some KFC you'll find barbecue, but them have it different. So, and we in Jamaica we have spicy, original, and barbecue. Yeah. So I have some fries here. The fries. So I'm gonna try the fries first, and let's rate it. So as for the fries, it seasons much better than the one that we have in Jamaica. Like it seasons really nice, but it's just a little bit too salty. But without it this salty, I would say the fries up here, take it off. Fries taste better, don't? Yeah.
Yeah, like crispy.
Crispy tastes good. Alright, so for that, I have me some coleslaw. This is one of my favorite things to get at KFC in Jamaica. So I think I tried this KFC here, the coleslaw, before, but let's see. So look at it. It looks a little different from the one that we have. I think it has more sauce and stuff inside. So I'm gonna try it. I love coleslaw. The one in Jamaica, I love it. But then now I make it like it used to again. But let's see. Let's taste this. This nice bad. This nice bad. This nice. The coleslaw here, it have a buzz. Well, it tastes nice. So this coleslaw, I will give this a 9, and the one in Jamaica a 8. This tastes good. I don't know what's in it. So I didn't get any of them drinks. I drink some mango juice because we can't bother with this soda. So this is the corn. Me love the corn in Jamaica, but I'll 2 corn me have to eat. Let's try this one. This one here, then take it off of the cob and put it in a container. From the look of it, and it's off of the cob. I don't know if I think I like it. No, my love. This not ready. Nah, not good button, not good. No, son. This one remake. So, the corn, I give that a 2. And the one in Jamaica, I give it a 9 because they used to make it really, really good. So I'm gonna try the biscuit. Let's see. It's soft, nice and soft, very soft. Try it. I have to drink some drinks. The biscuit that choke me. Go for some more coleslaw. The biscuit that choke. It's soft. Why my eyes look red? I'm a little hungry. The biscuit soft, but in already not taste good. The biscuit of Jamaica, I'll give it a 9, and I may give this a 1 and 1. No, so that's already. To be honest, 1. So let's see which one am I gonna try first. So this is the crispy, and this is the original, and this right here is the grill. So grill looks so. It's a grill. I don't know about the grill. So I'm grilling. So I'm gonna try the grill. So the grill. I don't know. If I don't look at it, I don't know. I don't look like it ready at all. But it's my first time trying the grill, so let me see. Well, for the grill hard for true. The grill, I don't know what it tastes like. The grill, grilled chicken, The grilled chicken, I'll give it a 4. Like honestly, 4. Yeah. Grilled chicken now. So, I'm gonna try the crispy. Them don't have hot and spicy. Them have crispy as we tell you before. Grill and original. So let's try this one. It's hot. Make it a crispy a 7. Crispy we get a 7. Yeah. What would I grade it crispy with? I can't grade it with the barbecue. Because barbecue is Jamaica shot. I can't grade it with hot and spicy because the hot and spicy shot. And it just, I don't know. Well, it's a 7 for that. And then this is the original. So let's try the original and see. So the original, it tastes good. It tastes better than our other two of them. So with the original versus our Jamaican original chicken, me give the one at Jamaica 10. This, me give it an 8.5. The original tastes good. The original can go on. So that's what I'll give it. And then give me like sauces, like a bunch of sauce. You know, like KFC at Jamaica, they want to give barely get 2 ketchup and let them do sauce. So I get the honey mustard. I like eat it with the fries. I never tried that one here. This is a KFC sauce. And I'm going to tell them to give me one next one, but they're not give me anyways. I'm going to have my buffalo sauce from Chick-fil-A. I always save it back. Then give me like 6 ketchup. So me wants try the chicken in the what is KFC sauce. I don't know what it tastes like. I'm going to try original tonight. I may try the crispy night and see if it give me a different vibe from wait did I give me first? Let's see. I don't like the KFC sauce. It don't taste good. It don't taste good with the chicken at all. Let me try the honey mustard with the chicken. No, so. Okay, ketchup it gonna taste good with. Nope. I'm gonna say I gotta have a buzz with the Chick-fil-A hot sauce. Let's try this. Now, the Chick-fil-A sauce is really good. From a try that already. I can't stop trying it. So let's see. I'll just take it up with my hand and eat it. That tastes so good. Till I said I got have a buzz with it. It's not there. Them grill with my skin. The grill not a vibe at all. But let's see with the grill. Grill not ready at all. This is so good. So, with everything, so American KFC and Jamaican KFC, my rating what I'll give it. The KFC at Jamaica, I'll give it 10. I've been to so much countries, like a lot of countries, and I've tried the KFC whenever I'm there. Jamaican KFC is the best I've ever tried, and because true I come from there, but it's the best. So with this overall, I will give this KFC a 7, and I will give Jamaican KFC 10. What do you think? Yeah, I think that's fair. My next best KFC, we have tried it. Trinidad KFC tastes nice. Barbados KFC can go on, and the Cayman Islands. The rest of them was psh. So as I was saying, I don't know if a Jamaican KFC alone, them give the remedy, but me not lie. The meat seasoned. It's seasoned down to the bone. Yeah, that's the only KFC I try, and yeah, I'm gonna try American KFC a few times, but nowhere in the world that I've ever traveled, I never taste no KFC better than Jamaican one. I'm not biased. Because when it comes to fairness, I am fair. So I'm gonna enjoy the rest of it with my sauce because this have a vibe with it. And the corn, me no want no more. I think this is the second time I try the corn. Me not buy no more. So for this, me just always go for original and the coleslaw and the fries. If you're not so salty. But don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Remember to like the video. If you're new and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And welcome to my old subscribers that's been there with me from day one. Thank you so much. And thank you for my new subscribers. Welcome to the family. And thank you for my viewers, all my new viewers. I thank you so much. I appreciate the love and the support. And remember to share my video with a friend, a cousin, a sister, or somebody. And remember to leave a comment down below. Stay blessed and stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I love you all.